Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Inquiry Abroad. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video I am going to tell you some cohesive devices for IELTS speaking and writing. You can use all these words in your writing as well as in your speaking. First one is opening words. These are some opening words. Like you are going to start your line, you can start your line by using these words. When it come to, regarding, moving on to, in terms of, considering, specifically, research shows that, with respect to, in regards to be specific. So these are some words. You can take a screenshot of these words as well. Next one is addition. If you want to add a sentence in your essay, or if you want to add a sentence in your speaking as well. Additionally, on the top of that, not only but also, in addition to, another reason is, another point, furthermore, as well as, moreover, besides. Third one are contrast word. Like you want to contrast your sentences. Number 1, unlike. Number 2, on the contrary. Number 3, conversely. 4, nonetheless, though, although, on the other hand, in या फिर by contrast, instead, even though, nevertheless, despite या in spite of, while, whereas and unlike. So these were some contrast words. Next one are comparison words. इसमें है similarly, likewise, equally, compared with या compared to, in comparison, similar to, like. So guys, these are not the only words you can use. These are some words, and there are a lot of words which you can use. Like if you want to compare some 2 points of your essay. Like if one point is for negative and the other one is for positive, you can use these words to compare all these points. Next one is sequence. Like sequence wise हम अपने sentences को कैसे बना सकते हैं. Like we are going to start our essay. So BP1 में हम obvious है कि firstly ही लिखेंगे. तो ये है कुछ words you can use when you are writing an essay. Firstly, secondly, lastly, finally, meanwhile, subsequently, eventually, immediately, before या after, during या while, simultaneously, following this, followed by. So these were some sequence sentences. इसमें आप एक और add कर सकते हैं initially. Like you are going to start your line, you can use the initially word. So these are cause and effect. If you want to describe the cause and effect of a particular topic or particular sentence, you can use these words. Thus, therefore, consequently, as a consequence, as a result of, due to, leading to, resulting in, because of, hence, thereby, owing to, for this reason. These were some cause and effect words. You can use these devices if you are going to start your line to describe the cause and effect. So these are qualification. If, although, unless, except, as long as, apart from, provided that, in case, whether, regardless, despite of, otherwise, now that. These were some sentence devices you can use to make your sentence. Next are emphasis. First one is mainly, next is certainly, undoubtedly, above all, there is no doubt, surely, absolutely, precisely, in particular, especially, particularly, notedly. These were some sentences you can use to emphasize your. These were some devices to you can use to emphasize your sentence. The last one is clarification. Like you had made a sentence, but you think that it is not clearly clarifying your meaning, like what you are going to tell other people. So you can use this devices to clarify your sentence. What I mean is, what this means is, as I was saying, in other words, in fact, in essence, to clarify, that is to say, to be more precise, to put it another way. So guys, this was all about the devices to make a sentence, to start a sentence, to end up a sentence, to clarify your sentence. All these are just sentences, just devices. And if you want me to make sentences by using these devices, I will definitely make a video on that too. So thank you so much. If you really like my video, please do subscribe my channel for these kind of interesting videos, and I'll be continuously making these videos as